Next, tidal power. Introduction. Tidal power is the natural power in tides at seas or oceans, which is due to motion of water caused by tides. How to create tidal power? On the sea or ocean, the water cannot stand. The water is moving. The water is motions, mobility. Some area, the water is very movement, very forced movement, very high pressure movement, mobility. On the mobility of water, have some energy. To take that energy to create electrical energy. This is called tidal power. The tides are defined as the increase or decrease in water level due to the motion of water. For example, some area the water level is increased, some area the water level is decreased. For example, this is the sea or ocean, where the tidal barrage is arranged in a ocean or sea between the land area to sea area, middle of the area, to fix the tidal barrage. Actually, the reservoir is very high water first. Where this high water contains, sometimes it contains low level water, sometimes it contains high level water. The barrage is fixed in that area. The barrage in middle to contains turbine. This is the turbine plates. It is the gates, turbine gates, open or closed nature. High level water inside, this side, left side to contains high level water, right side to contains low level water. First, low level water. The turbine gates are open. The high level water is passed through left sides to right side through the turbines. Where the force of water, the turbines is rotated to produce mechanical energy or mechanical process to produce electrical energy. This rotation process up to the water level is equal left and right side. So water level is slowly decreased by the pass of water from left sides to right side, where the electrical energy produced. So complete slowly level is decreased, and sometimes the water level is equal. The water level is to create equal level both side. Then cannot flow. Water cannot motion the water, so cannot produce turbines, cannot produce electrical energy near turbines, generators. Sometimes the summer season, so that's why it is closed. The summer season, the reservoir water is slowly decreased, then to decrease the water level. Then right side water is also stored. Okay, it contains high level water. Same, the turbine gates are open. The high level water motion or movement from high level water side to low level water side. That means right side to left side. So the water is move left side to right side up to equal. At the same time, sometimes the summer season, in the both side equal water available, but summer season reservoir water level is slowly decreased. That time, right side water is high level. So open the turbine like the tidal barrage gates. The water is moved high level to low level side through the turbines. Then the turbines is rotated to produce electrical energy. This is the tidal power. What is the wave power? It is similar to tidal power. Wave power, the wave energy or wave power is essentially power transformed waves when the wind blows across the sea surface. It transfers the energy to the waves. There are powerful sources of energy. The more strong the waves, the more capable it is to produce power. The captured energy can then be used for electricity generations. Powering plants or pumping of water, the power from the waves can then be harnessed to the wave energy converted or wave power stations. This is the only one single point. Waves. Some season on the sea, the surface water is very forced mobility. Sometimes less mobility, less waves. The water waves means the surface water waves are having more energy. The waves are to hit the walls and more energy, having more energy to hit the walls are broken sometimes. The ocean level is increased sometimes. The waves are to hit the roads, walls and number of houses, industries. Then all are damaged by the wave water. That means the wave water have a more energy. For example, see the diagram. This is the ocean. This is the land area, like a outside of the ocean. It is the air. This is the turbine, air turbine, generator, and also it is the construction of the wave power plant. With wave power plant, the concrete construction is to create on the ocean. Sometimes the waves is very high. The waves is very high movement. With high movement, the water is forcefully moved to front and back. The waves of water is move front and back, front back number of times are movement on the outside of the front of the sea. Okay. The movement of water in the construction of concrete area where to contains air. By the force of movement water, the compressed air or pressure of air to pass through the turbines. Where the move the water, the air is also moved through the turbines. Then after, the water is slowly back to move. At the same time, the air is also to back to the movement. So where water waves are move front and back commonly. At the same time, based on the movement of water, the air is also to move front and back through the turbines. That's why the turbines is rotated by the movement of air. The front movement of air and the back movement of air. Front movement, only the turbines is rotated only one side. In case there is rotate the clockwise direction from front pass of air. Again back to pass air through the turbines. The turbine is also rotated clockwise. That to produce electrical energy. Okay, thank you.